Hey 8th graders, this is the second part for quiz 3. I am going to start with reflect shapes. Okay, so let's see here. Alright, it says plot the image of triangle ABC under the reflection across line L. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. This right here, we are going to reflect it across the line L. So if this was a piece of paper and we were to fold it on this line right here on L, then what would it look like if this was on the other side? So that's what we're going to do. This is what I like to do, and there are a few ways to do this, but I do each point separately. So for example, C. C is 1, 2, 3 away from the line L. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. So that's where C is. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points away. So now I'm going to do B. So let's see here. We got to make sure we're in the same line here. So this is a little bit off. Okay. So same line. All right. And this was 6. So I'm going to make sure that this is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 away. Okay, so we're going to make sure it's on the same line here. So I'm going to start at the original A and make my way down. So I know that it should be somewhere here. And I already forgot how many points. So let me count again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that is right there. Okay, so again, this is the line that it is reflecting. So if we imagine this as a piece of paper and we fold it in half, it's going to look the exact same on both sides when we look at it all together. Okay, next question here. Okay, so previously we reflected it along a horizontal line, and now we're going to reflect it along a vertical line, along the y-axis. So I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to just count. So 1, 2, 3, and okay. And actually an easier way to do this would be to just look at your points. So this is -6, so point B would be +6. And this is -6, 2, so this would be +6, +2. This point right here is -3, 6. So that means on the other side it would be +3. Okay, and it would be 6. So +3, 6. All right, let's check it. There we go. Okay, and same thing here. -2 over here, so that means this would be +2 on this side. This is -4, 4, so on this side it would be +4 and +4, so we have +4, +4, and then the last one here, -6, 5. So this one we would drag to negative, we would go to +6, and we would go up to 5. All right. Uh-oh. It says reflection across the x-axis. So this is actually a reflection across the y-axis. So I'm going to move this down. And I don't know if I can flip it. I don't think I can. But we'll just flip the points here. So this point would be, if this is a -6, 5, then it would still be -6, and then it would be -5. And this point, -4, 4, so it would still be -4, and then -4 right there. Okay, so now we have it flipped across the x-axis. Okay, under a reflection across the x-axis. All right, let's check it out. Okay, if you got more questions about this, let me know.